Well, welcome back. Today we're going to get into another decoding rule. Today we are looking at vowel teams IE and IGH. Vowel teams IE and IGH. So the first thing that I want to recognize here is that IE makes a long I sound. That sound is I. So anytime you see IE, you know that that makes the I sound, like in pie or lie or tie. And let's look at our other one, IGH. That also makes the long I sound, which says I, like in light, tight, and right. So how do we know when to use either IE or IGH when we're trying to either decode or we're trying to spell a word out? This is how. This is the rule. When you see IE, you'll know that that sound in combination usually comes at the end of words. End of words. So as you can see in pie, lie, and tie, IE is coming at the end of those words. Now, when you're looking at IGH, what do you notice here in light, tight, and right? That long IGH sound is coming where? You're right, in the middle of the word. So that is your rule for decoding. When you're sounding out a word or trying to read a word and you're trying to figure out, do I need to, let's see. If I wanted to spell bright, I know that the beginning sound is br. All right. So am I going to put I E B or I? Is that right? No, that's not right. I'm going to look at my decoding rule and I'm going to say, which one am I supposed to use as I sound it out? So I'm going to say, I'm trying to spell bright, so I know b, r, and I. So the I is going to be either IE or IGH. And I know that IGH, looking at my decoding rule, comes in the middle, IGH. And then I'm going to add on my last letter. And that is how you decode the word bright. So always make sure with any of our rules for decoding, there's always a rule breaker. And the rule breaker today is the word high. Remember how I told you that IGH usually comes in the middle of a word? You know, it would end with a letter. This rule breaker word, it's just what it is. High, like high up in the sky. It's a rule breaker word. It doesn't follow our decoding rules. So guess what I would call that word? Is it a snap or a trap word? You tell me. We'll talk about this further. Thank you for listening.